I will trim the insulation double of time of the length of the terminal, the exposed length which is outside of the printed circuit board, because you know these terminals, they are going also on the other side. You can make also connection on the other side. So you will trim this part here, yeah, this part which is used. I told you normally I'm using 2 times the length of the pin, and every time when you have more wire wrapping, you will do the same for all of them, yeah. But because here it's also this problem with the position of the wire, because it's too short and it's not necessary to replace it, I will take exactly this length, yeah, according with this dimension. So now you will use a cutter, you will remove. Okay, you can use also wire stripper, it's up to you. Yeah, what I prefer all the time, I prefer cutter because it's closer to me. Cutter, knife, it's up to you. And now you have to peel this insulation, yeah. And like example, this insulator you can use, this sleeve you can use for the rest of the cables if you have more cables, yeah. You will put the insulator like that, put your finger here, and you will cut, yeah. Now with this tool on the exterior hole you have to put the wire, yeah. So you see the wire is going on the exterior, you see the wire is here. Now you have to look exactly in which position it was twisted, the wire, because the wire can be twisted on the right or on the left. So our wire here, it's twisted exactly like in the clockwise, yeah. So you will put the, let's change the angle of this one to be much more visible, yeah. So you see where we have to fix this orange cable on the orange pin. So you will put the wire on the exterior hole, you will put inside, you will bend 90 degrees, you see, and now you will put here on the interior hole, on the center hole, you will put the pin, and after that you will turn and you will keep the wire, because the wire it will twist. You will turn and you will start the wire wrapping method, you see. Now you can remove the shaft and you'll see exactly how it's going, you see. So the wire wrapping is going well, yeah. If you have excess, you can cut. And this is how I'm doing the wire wrapping, you see.